Sonic WALL Advanced Administration Online Training. Introduction to Sonic WALL Advanced Administration. Sonic WALL is a popular brand known for its firewall and network security appliances. Advanced administration in Sonic WALL typically involves managing more complex configurations and features beyond basic setup. Here's an introduction to Sonic WALL Advanced Administration. Firewall rules and policies. Advanced administration involves creating and managing detailed firewall rules and policies. This includes setting up access control lists, ACLs, configuring rule priorities, and handling advanced filtering options like Deep Packet Inspection, DPI. VPN configuration. Sonic WALL devices support various VPN types, including site-to-site VPNs and remote access VPNs, SSL VPN or IPsec VPN. Advanced administration covers configuring VPN tunnels, encryption settings, and VPN policies to ensure secure communication between networks and remote users. Advanced threat protection. Sonic WALL offers features like Intrusion Prevention System, IPS, Gateway Antivirus, Anti-Spyware, and Content Filtering Service, CFS. Advanced administration includes configuring these security services to protect against emerging threats and enforce security policies. High availability and redundancy. Implementing high availability setups with Sonic WALL ensures continuous network uptime. Advanced administration involves configuring pairs, failover policies, and monitoring mechanisms to maintain network resilience. Quality of service. QoS settings prioritize network traffic based on application requirements. Advanced administration includes configuring QoS policies to optimize network performance for critical applications such as VoIP or video conferencing. Logging and monitoring. Monitoring network activity and security events is crucial. Advanced administration covers setting up logging to capture detailed event data, configuring real-time alerts for suspicious activities, and using reporting tools for compliance and analysis. Advanced network configuration. This includes VLAN configuration, advanced routing, such as OSPF or BGP, and network segmentation using zones and interfaces to isolate traffic and enhance security. Integration and authentication. Sonic WALL integrates with LDAP, Active Directory, and other authentication mechanisms. Advanced administration includes configuring user authentication, integrating with single sign-on, SSO, solutions, and setting up role-based access control, RBAC. Troubleshooting and diagnostics. Advanced administrators need to troubleshoot network issues efficiently. This involves using built-in diagnostic tools, analyzing logs, and interpreting system alerts to identify and resolve issues promptly. Firmware upgrades and maintenance. Keeping Sonic WALL firmware up to date is critical for security and performance. Advanced administration includes planning and executing firmware upgrades, applying patches, and performing regular maintenance tasks to optimize device performance. Overview of Sonic WALL Firewall Technologies. Sonic WALL, now part of Dell, offers a range of firewall technologies designed to provide robust network security solutions. Here's an overview of key Sonic WALL firewall technologies. Unified Threat Management (UTM). SONiC WALL UTM firewalls integrate multiple security features into a single appliance. These typically include firewalling, intrusion prevention, antivirus and anti-spyware, content filtering, and application control. This consolidated approach simplifies management and enhances security effectiveness. Deep Packet Inspection (DPI). SONiC WALL DPI technology allows inspection of network traffic at a granular level, beyond traditional packet header information. It examines packet contents to identify and block threats based on application, protocol, and content type. This helps in detecting and preventing sophisticated threats. Virtual Private Network (VPN). SONiC WALL firewalls support VPN technologies for secure remote access and site-to-site connectivity. They utilize standards like IPsec and SSL VPN to encrypt data transmitted over public networks, ensuring confidentiality and integrity of communications. Advanced Threat Protection (ATP). SONiC WALL ATP capabilities include sandboxing and behavioral analysis to detect and block unknown or zero-day threats. Sandboxing allows suspicious files to be executed in a safe environment to observe behavior and identify malicious intent. Application Intelligence and Control. SONiC WALL firewalls provide visibility into application usage on the network, allowing administrators to enforce policies based on applications rather than just ports and protocols. This helps in optimizing network resources and enhancing security by controlling access to risky or unauthorized applications. Wireless Network Security. SONiC WALL integrates wireless access points with their firewall solutions, providing unified security policies across wired and wireless networks. This ensures consistent protection and control over all network traffic, regardless of how devices connect to the network. Centralized Management. SONiC WALL firewalls can be managed centrally through SONiCWALL's Global Management System (GMS). This allows administrators to configure policies, monitor security events, and apply updates across distributed firewall deployments from a single console, enhancing operational efficiency. Configuring Intrusion Prevention Systems (IPS). Configuring an intrusion prevention system (IPS) involves several key steps to effectively protect your network from various threats. Here's a general approach to configuring an IPS. Deployment planning. Decide where to deploy IPS sensors within your network architecture to maximize coverage and protection. Typically, they are placed at critical network junctures, such as perimeter gateways, data centers, or between network segments. Network discovery. Conduct a thorough network discovery to understand your network topology, critical assets, and traffic patterns. This helps in setting up IPS rules that are relevant and effective. Policy creation. Develop security policies based on your organization's security requirements and compliance needs. These policies define which traffic should be monitored and which actions should be taken in response to detected threats. Signature management. Configure the IPS to use appropriate signatures or rule sets. Signatures are patterns or behaviors of known threats that the IPS uses to detect and prevent attacks. Keep these signatures updated regularly to protect against new threats. Tuning and customization. Fine-tune IPS settings to reduce false positives, incorrectly identified threats, and false negatives, missed threats. This may involve adjusting sensitivity levels, creating custom signatures, or configuring exceptions for specific applications or traffic. Response actions. Define response actions for different types of threats detected by the IPS. Actions can include logging events, blocking traffic, sending alerts to administrators, or triggering automated responses. Monitoring and reporting. Set up monitoring capabilities to continuously track IPS performance, detect anomalies, and generate reports on security incidents and policy violations. This helps in ongoing optimization and compliance monitoring. Integration with security ecosystem. Integrate the IPS with other security solutions, example firewalls, SIEM systems, to enhance overall threat detection and response capabilities across your network. Training and awareness. Ensure that your IT staff are trained on how to effectively manage and respond to IPS alerts and incidents. Regularly review and update your IPS configuration based on new threats and changing network conditions. Testing and validation. Conduct regular testing and validation of the IPS configuration to ensure it effectively detects and mitigates threats without impacting legitimate network traffic or performance. Network Traffic Management with Sonic WALL. Sonic WALL offers robust features for network traffic management, including traffic shaping. Sonic WALL allows you to prioritize and manage bandwidth usage for different types of traffic, example VoIP, video streaming, to ensure critical applications receive adequate bandwidth. Quality of service. QoS. You can configure QoS policies to prioritize traffic based on application type, source destination IP, or other criteria, ensuring optimal performance for essential applications. Application control. Sonic WALL can identify and control applications running on your network, allowing you to block or prioritize specific applications based on policy rules. Bandwidth management. You can set bandwidth limits and restrictions per user, group, or application to prevent bandwidth abuse and ensure fair usage across your network. Advanced threat protection. Sonic WALL integrates deep packet inspection and threat prevention capabilities to identify and block malicious traffic, protecting your network from cyber threats. How can Sonic WALL Advanced Administration enhance network security? Sonic WALL Advanced Administration can significantly enhance network security in several ways. Firewall management. Advanced administration allows for fine-grained control over firewall rules, ensuring that only authorized traffic enters and exits the network. Intrusion prevention. It includes advanced intrusion prevention capabilities to detect and block malicious activities and attacks targeting the network. VPN configuration. Sonic WALL supports VPNs, allowing secure remote access and site-to-site connectivity, which can be configured and managed through advanced administration. Application control. Administrators can use Sonic WALL to monitor and control application usage on the network, preventing unauthorized or risky applications from compromising security. Content filtering. Advanced administration enables robust content filtering capabilities, restricting access to inappropriate or malicious websites and content. Traffic analysis. It provides detailed traffic analysis and reporting, helping administrators to identify patterns, anomalies, and potential security threats. Advanced threat protection. Sonic WALL integrates with advanced threat protection services, such as cloud-based sandboxing and malware analysis, to proactively identify and mitigate emerging threats. Compliance and reporting. It facilitates compliance with regulatory requirements by providing comprehensive reporting and auditing features. What are the best practices for implementing Sonic WALL Advanced Administration? Implementing Sonic WALL Advanced Administration involves several best practices to ensure robust security, optimal performance, and efficient management of your network. Here are some key best practices. 1. Comprehensive planning and assessment. Network assessment. Evaluate your current network infrastructure and identify security requirements. Goal setting. Define clear objectives for what you aim to achieve with Sonic WALL Advanced Administration. 2. Firmware and software updates. Regular updates. Ensure that your Sonic WALL devices are running the latest firmware and software to benefit from the latest features and security patches. Scheduled maintenance. Plan regular maintenance windows for updates to minimize disruptions. 3. Configuration management. Baseline configuration. Establish a baseline configuration that aligns with your network security policy. Backup configurations. Regularly back up your Sonic WALL configuration to avoid data loss and facilitate quick recovery in case of issues. 4. Network segmentation and zoning. Segmentation. Divide your network into segments, zones, to limit the spread of threats and manage traffic more effectively. Access controls. Implement strict access controls between zones to enhance security. 5. Security policies and rules. Granular policies. Create granular security policies that define what traffic is allowed or blocked. Regular review. Periodically review and update your security policies to adapt to new threats and business needs. Least privilege. Follow the principle of least privilege when configuring access controls and permissions. 6. Advanced threat protection. Deep Packet Inspection. DPI. Enable DPI to inspect the contents of all traffic for potential threats. Intrusion Prevention System. IPS. Configure IPS to detect and block malicious activities. 7. VPN configuration. Secure VPN. Set up secure VPN connections for remote access and site-to-site connections. Strong encryption. Use strong encryption methods and secure authentication protocols for VPNs. How does Sonic WALL handle advanced threat detection and prevention? Sonic WALL, known for its comprehensive cybersecurity solutions, handles advanced threat detection and prevention through a multifaceted approach incorporating several key technologies and methodologies. Here's an overview of how Sonic WALL addresses advanced threats. 1. Deep Packet Inspection (DPI). SonicWall's Reassembly-Free Deep Packet Inspection (RFDPI) engine inspects all network traffic, including encrypted SSL/TLS traffic, in real time. It examines the entire content of each packet, not just the header, ensuring comprehensive threat detection. 2. Gateway antivirus and anti-spyware. Sonic WALL employs signature-based detection to identify and block known viruses, spyware, and other malware. These signatures are continuously updated to protect against new threats. 3. Intrusion Prevention System (IPS). The IPS feature uses a combination of signature-based and behavioral-based techniques to detect and block intrusion attempts. It protects against exploits targeting vulnerabilities in software and hardware. 4. Capture Advanced Threat Protection (ATP). Sonic WALL Capture ATP is a multi-engine sandboxing solution that analyzes suspicious files in a safe environment to detect zero-day threats. It utilizes multiple engines to increase the detection rate and reduce the chance of false negatives. 5. Behavioral Analysis and Machine Learning. Sonic WALL leverages behavioral analysis and machine learning to detect anomalies and unknown threats. By analyzing the behavior of files and network traffic, it can identify potential threats that traditional signature-based methods might miss. 6. Real-time Deep Memory Inspection (RTDMI). This technology detects and blocks malware and exploits hidden in memory. RTDMI inspects files and processes in real time, identifying and mitigating threats that have not been previously detected. 7. Content Filtering and Application Control. Sonic WALL provides content filtering to block access to malicious websites and prevent phishing attacks. Application control allows administrators to monitor and manage the use of applications within the network, reducing the risk of attacks through unapproved or insecure applications. 8. SSL/TLS Decryption and Inspection. By decrypting SSL/TLS traffic, Sonic WALL ensures that encrypted traffic is inspected for threats. This capability is essential given the increasing use of encryption by both legitimate services and cybercriminals. How can Sonic WALL Advanced Administration be integrated into existing IT infrastructures? Integrating Sonic WALL Advanced Administration into existing IT infrastructures involves several steps to ensure smooth integration, effective network traffic management, and enhanced security. Here's a detailed guide. 1. Assessment and Planning. Network assessment evaluates the current network setup, identifying key components, traffic patterns, and potential security gaps. Requirement analysis determine the specific needs for network security, traffic management, and administrative capabilities. Integration planning develop a detailed plan outlining the integration steps, timeline, and resources required. 2. Hardware and software preparation. Sonic WALL device selection. Choose the appropriate Sonic WALL device based on network size, traffic volume, and required features. Firmware update. Ensure the Sonic WALL device has the latest firmware to leverage the latest features and security updates. 3. Network configuration. IP address allocation. Assign IP addresses to the Sonic WALL device that align with the existing network architecture. Subnet configuration. Configure subnets to ensure proper traffic segmentation and routing. NAT and firewall rules. Set up network address translation, NAT, and firewall rules to manage and secure traffic. 4. Integration with existing network. Physical installation. Install the SONiC WALL device at a strategic point in the network, such as between the modem and the main switch or router. VLAN configuration. If applicable, configure VLANs on the SONiC WALL device to segregate network traffic. Redundant connections. Set up redundant connections to ensure high availability and failover capabilities. How does SONiC WALL Advanced Administration contribute to compliance with industry regulations? SONiC WALL Advanced Administration plays a crucial role in helping organizations comply with various industry regulations through several key features and practices. Robust security measures. SONiC WALL provides comprehensive security measures, including advanced threat protection, intrusion prevention, and anti-malware capabilities. These security features help organizations meet regulatory requirements for safeguarding sensitive data and preventing unauthorized access. Firewall capabilities. SONiC WALL firewalls offer deep packet inspection, secure VPN access, and application control, which are essential for maintaining secure network environments and complying with regulations such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR. Logging and reporting. SONiC WALL devices can generate detailed logs and reports on network activity, security events, and user behavior. These logs are critical for demonstrating compliance with regulatory standards that require regular monitoring and documentation of security incidents. Access control. SONiC WALL allows for granular control over user access to network resources, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access sensitive information. This feature aligns with regulations that mandate strict access controls to protect data integrity and confidentiality. Encryption. SONiC WALL supports encryption for data in transit, ensuring that sensitive information is protected as it moves across the network. This is a requirement for many regulations, including HIPAA and GDPR, which mandate the encryption of personal and sensitive data. Compliance-specific features. SONiC WALL offers features tailored to specific regulatory requirements. For example, it provides functionalities to help with the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, PCI DSS, compliance, such as secure Wi-Fi for point-of-sale systems and network segmentation to isolate payment card data. Regular updates and patches. SONiC WALL regularly releases firmware updates and security patches to address new vulnerabilities. Staying current with these updates helps organizations meet regulatory requirements for maintaining up-to-date security measures. Auditing and forensics. SONiC WALL's advanced administration capabilities include tools for conducting audits and forensic investigations. These tools are essential for responding to security incidents and demonstrating compliance during regulatory audits. How does SONiC WALL Advanced Administration manage and secure VPN connections? SONiC WALL Advanced Administration provides robust tools for managing and securing VPN, virtual private network, connections. Here are the key features and methods used. Management of VPN connections. Centralized management. SONiC WALL provides centralized management capabilities through the SONiC WALL Global Management System, GMS, or Network Security Manager, NSM. These tools allow administrators to configure, monitor, and manage multiple VPN connections from a single interface. VPN policies. Administrators can create, modify, and enforce VPN policies to control how and when VPN connections are established. These policies can be applied globally or to specific devices or users. Configuration wizards. Sonic WALL includes configuration wizards that simplify the process of setting up site-to-site and client-to-site VPNs. These wizards guide administrators through the necessary steps, reducing configuration errors and ensuring best practices. Monitoring and reporting. Detailed logs and real-time monitoring tools provide visibility into VPN connection statuses, usage statistics, and potential issues. Administrators can generate reports to analyze VPN performance and security. Security of VPN connections. Strong encryption. Sonic WALL VPNs support a variety of encryption protocols, including IPsec, SSL-TLS, and IKV2, to ensure data confidentiality and integrity. Strong encryption standards, such as AES-256, are used to protect data in transit. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. To enhance security, Sonic WALL supports MFA for VPN connections. Users must provide multiple forms of verification, such as a password and a temporary code sent to their mobile device, before gaining access. Why choose ProExcellency for Sonic WALL Advanced Administration Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for Sonic WALL Advanced Administration Online Training offers several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency employs experienced and certified instructors who possess in-depth knowledge of Sonic WALL products and advanced administration techniques. Their expertise ensures high-quality training and practical insights. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers a wide range of topics, including advanced firewall configuration, VPN setup, threat management, network monitoring, and troubleshooting. This ensures a thorough understanding of SonicWall's advanced features and capabilities. Hands-on training. ProExcellency emphasizes practical learning by incorporating hands-on labs and real-world scenarios. This approach helps participants gain practical experience and build confidence in using Sonic WALL solutions. Flexible learning options. The online training format allows participants to learn at their own pace and convenience. Recorded sessions, live virtual classes, and interactive resources make it easier to fit the training into a busy schedule. Certification preparation. The training is designed to prepare participants for Sonic WALL certification exams. ProExcellency provides study materials, practice tests, and guidance to help participants successfully achieve certification. Thank you.